When Brianna was a baby, she stopped breathing and ended up with cerebral palsy. Her legs don't fully go down and she's constantly on her toes.
Braces help Brianna by giving her the ability to walk normally. Helps her from falling as much as she does without the braces. Just more mobility and stability for her everyday life.
It helps with her balance very well too, so she doesn't trip or fall as easily. One of the concerns that I had was the appearance and if she was going to be made fun of or if she was going to feel uncomfortable in them, wearing them around other people. But she actually gets lots of compliments on them. She gets to pick her own designs, and I feel like it's boosted her confidence a little bit.
We were concerned about the financial aspect of the braces. The staff was very friendly and very helpful and helped us out with the insurance side and made it as easy as possible for us, and we appreciated the staff very much.